Alright, so in this video we'll be covering your solid state previous year question of your IIT JAM chemistry which was asked in your 2020, right? And all of you know that solid state chapter is a rank booster chapter, so we can't afford to miss this chapter. So let's begin with the video. So the question is, fullerene C60 crystallizes in an FCC unit cell, edge length 14.14 angstrom, with one C60 centered at each lattice point. The smallest distance in angstrom between the centers of two C60 molecule is, right? So the question is very simple. Just the examiner has put up this question in order to confuse the students. He just played with the words, right? So basically the question is saying that there's a C60, right, which crystallizes in an FCC unit cell, and the value of your edge length is clearly mentioned over here, that is 14.14 angstrom, and you have to find out the smallest distance between the centers of two C60 molecule, right? So all of you know that this is how this FCC unit cell look like, right? This is how the FCC unit cell looks, right? So basically we have to find out the smallest distance, and all of you know that the smallest distance in an FCC unit cell is between these two lattice points. That is the lattice point which is present at the corner of a cube and the lattice point which is present at the center of a cube, right? So we have center which is present at the center of a face, right? So we have to find out the distance between these two atoms, right? And all of us knows that the distance between this diagonal, that is the distance of your face diagonal in an cube, is a root 2 units, right? So a root 2 units is the distance of your face diagonal, and these two atoms are present at the half of the distance of this a root 2. It's clearly visible. You can see this is present at the half of the distance of this particular face diagonal. So we have to find out the distance which is expressed as this expression, that is a root 2 by 2. So you have to find out this particular distance, right? So and the value of your a is clearly been mentioned in the question, that is 14.14 angstrom. So we have to find out this particular expression, and if we substitute the value of a 14.14 angstrom into this expression, so we would get expression somewhere like somewhat like this, right? And if we solve this particular expression, we would get the our value somewhere around this 9.998, and if we round off the value to your two decimal places, so the answer would be 9.99 or 10.0 angstrom, right? So as you can see, this is there's nothing difficult in this question, and it is being asked in your JAM 2020 in your nat section for 2 marks, right? Just the examiner has played with the words, and you have to be calm in this question, right? So this is all about the question which was asked from your solid state in 2020, right? So we'll be covering each and every previous year question of your solid state from like previous 10 years in our upcoming video, right? So stay tuned for our upcoming videos, right? Thank you so much.